Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simple power problems. Open the Wii remote, install fresh AA batteries, and press firmly on the contacts. This prevents intermittent connections. Once done, power down the console and remove the battery cover to reseat the compartment and the sync tab. This corrects loose terminals. Make sure you press the console sync button while holding the remote sync. You'll see LEDs light, which confirms pairing. If not, test batteries with a multimeter to verify voltage. Next, you calibrate and remove interference so the motion sensor reads correctly. Go to Wii settings, select sensor bar calibration, and follow on-screen guidance. This aligns the IR camera to correct angles. Meanwhile, clean the IR window on the sensor bar and the remote's emitter with a microfiber and 70% isopropyl. Dirt reduces signal strength. Also, make sure to relocate bright lamps and reflective surfaces, and keep other remotes and phones 1 to 2 meters away, so the IR is not confused. Finally, handle hardware repairs and a fallback troubleshooting tip. If the sensor bar shows no IR when viewed through a smartphone camera, replace its cable or battery pack. Visible LEDs mean it's working. If the remote still drifts, open it to inspect solder joints and the accelerometer. Reflow or swap the module if you can. This fixes erratic axis readings. If problems persist, try a different Wii remote or perform a console pairing reset. That single test usually isolates controller versus console faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.